Imagine with me. Come this way. Let's take a little journey into your millionaire reality where everything you want is possible. Not even just possible, it already exists in this now for you. Right now, there is a reality where you have millions of dollars in your bank account. Right now, there is a reality where sales are normal in your business every day. Right now, there's a reality where you are winning all day, every day. Right now, there is a reality where you are smashing it. You are doing it. You're doing your thing, and it's so successful. Begin to imagine yourself there. Imagine your perfect office. Imagine your perfect business. See where you are. What's the space like? What's the table like? What's behind you? What do you have around you? How does your office smell? If it's not an office, it's just your space. It could be an atelier. It could be a warehouse. It could be a dream space. Whatever you envision for your business, for your life, step into there. What door are you opening? What's inside? What's the scent like? Is it like jasmine or vanilla or some scent that you really love? Think about the details. Put in the details of your business. What's happening? When you look at your computer, what kind of computer do you have? When you look at your phone, what screen do you see? What are the notifications you're receiving for your business? What sales are you doing now? Imagine yourself effortlessly noticing the numbers coming in. Imagine yourself creating the best products. Imagine yourself doing the work that you love to do and doing it so well in this now, as best as you can. But in your imagination, picture it perfect.